video by Stands Auto Repair. This is just a quick video. I've already done the work, so I'm just gonna kind of show you what I did. I mean, this job is very, very, very simple. So there's not a lot you need to do. Well, say hello, Harley girl. You need to get back up on the porch, little one. But anyways, this is the part number. It's for GM models 2003 to 96. Part number is 800-605. As you can see, it deals with the transmission, and it's the transmission line connector, which is right there. Over time, there's a little O-ring inside. Those will wear out, and then you'll start leaking right here. All you have to do is just get you what'd I do with it? Get you one of these, loosen it out, get your flathead screwdriver, and then there's a little clip, as you can see right here. You just need to pry that clip out, and then this comes right off. And then that just snips over it, that snaps back over it to kind of like hide that, kind of protect the clip. Other than that, that's all you need to do. To get easier access, remove this radiator bracket. It's a 10mm, and you're good to go. All right, and remember y'all, if it's broke, fix it.